Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how you can make your own sea glass using a little rock tumbler like this one, and just sand and water. And you need to smash a bottle of glass. Like I will choose blue because blue is really hard to find at the beach, and that's all you need. And I just want to show you the difference. So that's the glass we made already over 6 days or 7 days. And that's glass we found at the beach. So that's more glass we found at the beach, and we decided, because we love the blue glass and it's really hard to find blue glass at the beach. You often get a lot of brown stuff, brown glass, but never really blue. So we really wanted to make our own blue glass to use for other art projects. And yeah, like I said, you just need a little rock tumbler and water and sand. We just got the sand from the beach, and you're just gonna put your smashed glass into here, and then you can start rock tumbling. So one day we open it up and you can see it's not sharp anymore. So that was one day of the glass in the rock tumbler, just normal sea sand. Okay, it's been rock tumbling more or less almost 3 days now. The glass. So have a look how it's gonna look today. See if we need. Yeah, you can see it's already getting milky. Kind of frosty glass kind of look. That was before, and that's now after 3 days. So we had it running for 5 days. Okay, just pull that out. And you can see that's before. Day number 5. It's really smooth on the edges. And it has a milky look